Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Bun is a Hakka delicacy made from sticky rice. At weddings or other auspicious events, Hakka people dye the bun red, as red is a traditional lucky color. Inside the red bun are sweet fillings such as red bean paste or peanut powder. Often the red bun is imprinted with a turtle shell pattern symbolizing long life.
Hello everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on Icrt FM 100.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。Hello，
大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And during this time of the year, the color red is seen everywhere. People wear red, you see buildings in red, you have food in red as well. 其实呢，在这个时候呢，我们常会看到一个颜色，就是红色。
超嘎，
对不对？
红色是华人社会里头最受欢迎的一种颜色。
真的喜气洋洋 ，OK，就是非常的 lucky. 所以有什么食物呢？是不是一定有跟红色有关？也是客家人吃的。
有啊，你一定吃过，那叫凤板。
凤板就红板吗？
对啊，就红板啊。
It's a lucky color and it's a type of food which again is made of sticky rice. 因为听到板就知道呢，它是这个糯米这样子去做的，是糯米嘛？
它糯米做的，而且还有人讲说叫凤龟板。就是红龟板，因为它会做的像乌龟一样形状，圆圆的，然后上面要印上那个乌龟的那种花纹。乌龟它是一个很长寿的动物嘛，所以就象征着那个长寿啊、喜庆的意思。
It's very interesting. This type of sticky rice is called the hongban, okay, which is the red ban. Again, made from sticky rice. They actually imprint the pattern of a turtle on top of it to signify longevity because, a turtle lives 100 years, Okay, 那里面会包什么东西呢？
大部分是甜的，像会包那个粉条沙，或者反条粉。
反条粉，来讲反条就是花生嘛。Peanut powder is part of the filling, or 刚刚第一个是什么？
粉条沙
是红
豆沙，
对不对？Okay, that's the red bean paste. Okay, that's good too.
那如果你不要吃甜的话，它里面有那个没有包的，那我们就是把它切开，用油炸过之后呢，再沾酱油吃。
You can actually eat it plain too and have it fried. There's a lot of ways to eat the hongban. So let's go ahead and review these terms. Some of the fillings include red bean paste, 红豆沙；
粉条沙
also the peanut powder, 花生粉；
反条粉
and this thing is called the hongban, which is the red ban.
凤板
which is also known as the 红龟板 because gui is turtle and it's shaped like one. So there you go. That does it for today's talk about Hakka.
什么大家？
俺是谁张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.